Regulation 31 to 39. 31. For controlling and monitoring and on discharge the oil discharge monitoring and control system is a nautical device used to track and manage oil discharge. Both automatic and manual monitoring are option for this every day. See decline in your craving system and ecology is seriously degrading as we can see. 32. Detector of the water oil interface. The line between water and oil in storage tanks is locked using an electrical instrument called an interface detector. However, the technology is not just limited to oil and water. 33. Central for cleaning crude oil. The Morpher Convention 1978 protocol stipulated that the new tankers must first purge their crude oil before setting in. 34. Control of oil discharge. And oil discharge is any international or intervention action or interaction that oil to spill, shift down, pour, or pump out of the ground surface or into the ocean. 35. For washing crude oil, which the crude washing method, the oil tankers are washing or between voyages using the oil being transferred the after that water. 36. If of the oil record book, cargo and ballast operation. When one of the cargo ballast activities on the ship, the oil record book part 2 most tank by tank if necessary movement of the oil cargo and oil cargo. 37. Pollution emergency plan for ship. The shipboard or the pollution emergency strategy or is the preventive measure used the board tankers above 150 GT and other ship over 400 GT. This strategy provides a board interview or possible reaction to on the oil spill. 38. Reception facilities and fixed floating or mobile facility that is suitable for receiving marble wasted from ship is referred to as a reception facility. 39. Specification for stationary or floating platforms for the intake and outflow on the ballast water from and sea. There is a ballast pumping and pumping system for the ballast tanks. There should any paper comparison between the ballast and fish water supply.